Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back once again to your own channel Vision Divine Tarot 204। मैं अपने सभी व्यूअर्स का आपके इस चैनल पर तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। तो गाइज एक बार मैं फिर आ गई हूँ आप सभी के सामने रीडिंग लेकर। एंड इस रीडिंग का टॉपिक रहेगा करंट फीलिंग्स ऑफ योर पार्टनर, देयर नेक्स्ट मूव एंड क्या आपका यूनियन होगा का पार्ट 3। तो आज हम जो रीडिंग करेंगे वो पाइल नंबर 3 पर कंटिन्यू होगी। तो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ दिस red cute charm, which is the buddy. So guys, I would like to say you, if you are really liking my channel, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel and also do comment. And ये रीडिंग अगर आपके साथ रेजोनेट करेगी, चाहे आप नो कांटेक्ट में हो या कांटेक्ट में हो या फिर लीस्ट कांटेक्ट में हो। एंड अगर आप कांटेक्ट में हैं तो फिर भी आप जानना चाहते हैं या फिर आप किसी के साथ रिलेशनशिप में हैं अपने पार्टनर के साथ, या फिर उनकी क्या फीलिंग्स हैं, या आपके लिए उस पर्सन का नेक्स्ट मूव क्या होगा, या फिर इफ़ यू वांट टू नो आप लोगों का यूनियन होगा या नहीं, इफ़ यू आर इन नो कॉन्टेक्ट सिचुएशन, एंड या फिर आप यूनियन का वेट कर रहे हैं या रिकन्सिलेशन का, या फिर कमिटमेंट चाह रहे हैं फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन। ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू कैन वॉच इट। एंड इफ यू love someone and you are in soulmate or twin flame journey, then if you are in twin flame or soulmate journey, and if you love someone and if you are married, then also you can watch this video. And what are their feelings, what are your partner's feeling, and what will happen next, their next move, and in your life they will come back to you or not. So this is all about love, obviously. So if you really want to get to know about the health or career or some other future success kind of readings, then please wait for other readings, or you can go to the other channels as well to take the guidance from them also. So this is these energies can the guidance only, and sometime it will go it goes with you or sometime with your partner. So these are the general readings, and it is based on collective readings. Okay, so for all the viewers who are watching these videos, these are the collective energy, so it will give you guidance what's going on in between you and them, and what's going on in between your relationship, and also what's in your relationship, and what is the situation, and what is the next section of them. Okay, so it will tell what to do next and what are the predictions. And yes, so this is the pile number 3, and guys, so let's start your reading. And if you're really liking my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and also you can feel free to comment. And so I will see you on your reading, guys. So let's start. If you are in twin flame or soulmate journey, and if you love someone, and if you are married, then also you can watch this video. And what are their feelings, what are your partner's feeling, and what will happen next, their next move, and in your life they will come back to you or not. So this is all about love, obviously. So if you really want to get to know about the health or career or some other future success kind of readings, then please wait for other readings, or you can go to the other channels as well to take the guidance from them also. So this is these energies can the guidance only, and sometime it will go it goes with you or sometime with your partner. So these are the general readings, and it is based on collective readings. Okay, so for all the viewers who are watching these videos, these are the collective energy, so it will give you guidance what's going on in between you and them, and what's going on in between your relationship, and also what's in your relationship, and what is the situation, and what is the next section of them. Okay, so it will tell what to do next and what are the predictions. And yes, so this is the pile number 3, and guys, so let's start your reading. And if you're really liking my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and also you can feel free to comment. And So I will see you on your reading, guys. So let's start. Okay, guys, so let's get started. So we will start with this cute red buddy. So these all are the energy, and it will tell your overall situation and what's going on in between you and your partner. And so let's start. So these are the cards. This is number 4, and this is this is of dating card, guys. So it's already mentioned that so much to celebrate. Send gratitude to the divine and the angels for the peace and prosperity come to you, peace and contentment in your personal life. So definitely he wants to date you, and who is this person, or you know that person, and you already might have dated, or you are dating that person, him or her, that you know, guys. Please take it as it goes with you. And so yes, and the next card is this is the wisdom card, and also the good relationship. So romantic, flirtatious, introspective, fickle, falling in love, being swept off your feet, a sudden love affair, okay, a lack of balance in relationship, but it will bring balance, situations or topics that make your heart flutter, a love of the art of poetry. Okay, guys, this is the card, and let's take the next card, the dreamer. Okay, a new start, trust yourself, push your fears aside and take a leap of faith. तो ये guys आपको leap of faith लेकर अपनी intuition पे trust करने के लिए बोला जा रहा है, and then you can go for a new start. Okay, angels का guidance है. Let's take other cards. Okay, so this is these are the 9 candles. So this is 9 number 9. So maybe 9th का आपका बर्थडे आता हो, या उनका बर्थडे आता हो 4th को आता हो, और either it can be 9th. Okay, तो particularly मुझे M alphabet, so particularly M letter, M, J, O, M again, and E, and number 17, 7 plus 1, 8. So 8, 9, 4, and so 0 is it's a new beginning. Okay, so that's why the dreamer card is here. So these all are the initials and numbers which are prominent, quite prominent. Okay, so unfounded fear, expecting the worst, thus creating self-fulfilling prophecies, allowing worrying, and it's growing up, and also sleepless nights are there. Refocus your thoughts. So guys, आपको एडवाइस किया जाता है कि आपको अपने थॉट्स को या फिर आपके पार्टनर को थॉट्स को रिफोकस करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is there, guys, you can see. And brilliant experience, you embrace judgmental, releasing situations or people that no longer serve you. Seeing the humor in difficult situation. Focusing on career, divorced or unmarried individuals. Guys, maybe who are watching these videos, or their partner, they are divorced or they are unmarried individuals. Okay, so they are this is the person who holds the character, holds the energies of Queen of Swords. That's an air sign. So you or your partner can be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so you are very independent person and very experienced. You are very fun-loving person, and also you want, or they want to release the situations or people with whom they are dealing right now, and they want to leave them behind and come towards you. Or it can be you are the person who wants to release the situations or people who are not again you not no longer serving you, and also you're dealing with difficult situations quite well, and now right now you want to focus on yourself. Okay guys, so next card is Justice. So the person there is number 8 is also prominent. I told you earlier also, and also R letter and G. Okay, so your person name can start with these letters. All right. So justice will be served, guys. Be impartial and objective. Stand up for what you believe. Try to see all sides of the situation, and you will win if your position is one of the integrity. Okay, integrity. So guys, आपको ये एडवाइस किया जाता है कि for what you feel and you see that is correct and right in your own opinion, then for that you need to take a stand. And definitely there is other card was there. So Queen of Swords was there. So this is the energy, and of course you आपके पार्टनर में भी आपके पार्टनर हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स आपको स्टैंड करने के लिए बोला जा रहा है कि जो आप बिलीव करते हैं उसमें स्टैंड करें, एंड आपको जो भी आप सिचुएशन को डील कर रहे हैं उसके सारे साइड्स को देखकर एक्शन लेने के लिए बोला जा रहा है. ओके, so wow, nice, very nice, beautiful, lovely. So this is 1 2 3 4, this is 10 of Cups. So this card brings the prosperity and happiness and a happy marriage, happily ever after, emotional contentment, a loving relationship with your children, raising children wisely and successfully, people you can trust. So definitely this is the person to whom you can trust, and they can trust on you easily. And maybe you are in a long distance relationship right now, but soon there is success and union is visible, and also it's a loving, caring relationship. Okay guys, so let's pick the other cards quickly. The thinking man. Okay, for now this person, it's like soon this person, definitely soon this person, because there is this Knight, Ace of Cups. So this person, this is a Taurus card, so this person soon going to propose you. I already told you this, and because he wants to date you, and of course, so he wants to offer you his partnership, and he is in your workplace or maybe business, or he's your business partner as well, or maybe in your workstation he is with you, or he is right now not in your contact, or maybe in a distant place, or maybe you met online and now you are in a long distance relationship and not in no contact situation. Okay, so I see that this person is dealing with, he's not looking happy at all. So this person is this person need to work on himself, and definitely maybe this is the birthday date 9 or 3 and 5. I told you the other number 4, 46, so 4 and 6 is 10. So 1 and 0, and so it's like 0 brings the new beginning in the relationship or in your life. So these are the numbers. Okay, so that person, his name initial is M or I. So okay, so he can be your ex, and also something is lost or change which is visible in your life, and he might be going through a heartbreak. Okay, see, broken heart. So he might be going through a heartbreak and maybe a broken relationship. Okay guys, and maybe there is a poor family situation, and it could be there. And also, so he is not ready, but he wants to know you, he wants to date you, and he wants to see you in his life as his own partner. And also, if he knows you, then where was that card? Yes, this one. So this one, yes. So there is if he knows you, then he knows you, then commitment is there. So he wants you to he want you to introduce to his own family. And if for for few of you, because there is this card, and there is the thinking man, and also there is the broken heart. So he can be in a he is a family person, or this is a third party situation, guys. Okay, and so let's quickly take out the other cards also. So this is the Angel of Strength. I will tell you about these all cards in a while. Man holding a heart. He holds love for you, deep desires for you. The Garden and the Gate. Okay, that is for this card is for you. Number 3 is quite prominent, and the number 5 I told you also. Action का card आया है, guys. So okay, and the next card is Patience. All right, and the last card is Angel of Balance. So this relationship needs a lot of balance, guys. Okay, so patience है, हमारे पास action है, the garden and the gate. Okay, so there can be, I can see that and can relate that there can be other person involvement in his life right now. And so there can be for now for now, or it might be it has been 5 to 10 months, and or more than that even, that you guys are in no contact situation, and there is a no communication in between you both. Okay, so these are the cards. So now, guys, let me arrange these cards, and we will see with this tarot. We will see with this tarot decks. Okay, guys, so now let's see with these tarot decks. We will see through these cards that what's in his or her mind, and what this person holds for you. What are their next move? Okay, also. Okay, so let me arrange these cards, and we will start with your reading, guys. Okay, because there are lots of cards. Just while I was shuffling these cards, so these all the cards I received. All right. Okay, guys. We will shuffle 3 times. Please focus so that we can get your energies through these cards. Energies of my viewers. So that we get energies of your partners. Okay, guys. So we will take few cards so that we can get the exact energy of your person, right? So okay, guys, so let's start. We will take out the cards. Magician. So I think that because we have lots of cards, so let's take one by one. So this person, it carries all the energies of all the signs, zodiac signs. So he can be a single man or man or woman. Please take it as it resonates to you. And he see you an independent person. Already we have the card earlier. The Queen of Swords was there. So he see you as very beautiful and independent. And he is a Gemini. He can be Gemini, Virgo, and also so he definitely wants to talk to you, and he feels that you are very playful. And we also received the card earlier. Just a second. The Swords energy was there. Okay. And this is the card. There was a card. Alright. Okay. This is the card. Just a second, guys. Yes. So it was also there. She is very playful and humorous. So this person see you as very playful, energetic, and you are very communicative for him. So he sees you as like this. So you have good knowledge and you are very intuitive. You are a highly intuitive person. Okay. So this is the card. Okay, guys. Let's take out the other card. Death. Okay. The first card we received was this, and now we have received the other card. Okay. So guys, I think that this is a Scorpio energy. So this person can be Scorpio, okay, or this person can be Gemini, Virgo, Aries, okay. And so he's going through some transformation, and he's dealing with his ex or a separation, and you both are manifesting each other. So because Magician was there, and he's thinking about you, and he sees you a funny and charming and very good looking person, and he sees you as very talkative or kind of friendly, and definitely he wants to keep the relationship with you. Okay, so Ace of Wands we have. So बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्शन है इस इंसान का आपसे, and attraction is still there. So yes, this person wants to come back to you if he is your ex, and but he will take some time. Okay, maybe 1 month, 3 months, 9 months, and 1 to 3 weeks, 1 to 9 weeks, 1 to 9 days also. So okay, so within a week, within 1 to 3 weeks, and within 1 to 3 months, or within 1 to 9 months, it's going to take. Okay, he will definitely take, because he has a he is also in a third party situation, guys. Okay, so वहाँ से निकलने में भी इन्हें time लगेगा. So because definitely he has to leave something behind, and then he will take the next action towards you, right? So because we had death card, so he wants to come towards you, but for that definitely right now he is not talking to you, and for few of you, unless this person will not leave their third party, he cannot start the new beginning with you guys. Okay, so definitely this person need to take or make the decision. Okay, so let's see what will his action and towards you. Okay, the other action towards you. Okay, yes guys, so we have justice. So justice definitely आपको मिलेगा, and Libra energy है, so you will get the justice, and definitely the balance will be there. You will get the balance. Okay. So definitely he will. Definitely he will give you justice, and or you will get from Almighty Lord. And for the happiness you are waiting, you have never get before in your life, so this person is going to give you, guys. Okay, and if he is your ex, so if he is your ex, then he will then definitely you will get the justice, because you are very much connected spiritually and telepathically with this person. And also आपका justice कहीं नहीं जाएगा, guys, आपको मिलेगा. He will come back towards you, and he will apologize, and he will start with a new beginning with you. Okay, so and if you feel he did wrong and he kept you in friend zone, okay, because it was there in the cards, and then also you will get the justice. So from this person you will get equal balance, equal give and take, and justice will be served to you. Okay, guys. So, and if you have only put in the efforts from it was like one-sidedly efforts, so then this person from his side always you will get it now. Okay, so you have to wait for him until he don't start the communication giving with the equal love, respect, and the new beginning. Then you need to wait. Okay, so guys, let's see what is in the union now. So strength card is there. Okay, so Leo energy hai, guys. Look at these, all the major arcanas. We have justice, we have death, we have magician, here we have justice. Okay, now we have the strength card. So definitely something major is going to happen, कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है. Okay, आपकी लाइफ में, and you are very he feels that you are very precious for him, and this person definitely keeps you on his high regards, and he thinks about you as his own strength. Okay, Leo card है, Libra card है, Scorpio है हमारे पास. Okay, so Aquarius is there. He can be a water sign also. Virgo हो सकते हैं, and fire sign हो सकते हैं, Gemini हो सकते हैं, definitely Taurus भी हो सकते हैं. So strength is the Leo energy. So if you will wait and keep patience, because हमारे पास patience का कार्ड था, guys. So action आपके लिए आ रहा है. See, we have action का कार्ड था, and then we also have this card, patience. So okay, so we have with us patience, and so definitely आपको कहा जाता है कि if you will have keep some patience, and तो आपको union definitely मिलेगा. And angels आपको कहते हैं कि if you will work with this person, then definitely there will be union with him, and you will get what you want, and maybe a union, a marriage, and a dating or relationship. So it all depends on how long you can patiently wait for this person. Okay, for him or her, because strength means patience. Okay, guys. So means you have to be strong. आपको strong रहना है, because आप already Queen of Swords की energy में है, and we have here, see, just a second, guys. We have here King of, I hope you can see these cards. Okay, we have this Queen of Swords, and we have received this King of Swords. Okay, guys. So, and you don't have if you don't have this energies to keep up, or if you don't have this courage, then please then this all is not for you. Okay, but we have, let's see what is the next, or let's see what is in the bottom. King of Pentacles, Lovers card is there. So this is the energy. Reunion will be definitely going to happen, and आप लोगों में reunion होगा and union होगा. And if you think that he is your soulmate and a new person, definitely union आपका होगा. Okay, guys. So this is the reading, and we will quickly start with. Guys, so love messages देखेंगे आपके quickly. Let me put these cards. First, then we will take out the love messages for you. The patience card. We have this card. Yeah, look. एंजल ऑफ बैलेंस वाज आल्सो देयर. सो गाइस, आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना पेशेंटली वेट कर सकते हैं, कब तक वेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो यस, सो लेट्स टेक आउट द लव मैसेजेस ऑफ योर पार्टनर. ओके, बहुत सारे आ रहे हैं लव मैसेजेस. ओके, यस, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, I am working on myself right now. तो ये अपने आप पर काम कर रहे हैं. ये भी हीलिंग चल रही है इनकी. He is feeling depressed without you. He miss you. Okay, so he feel depressed without you. Okay. So I am planning about our future. So guys, ये आपको फ्यूचर में अपने पार्टनर के रूप में देखते हैं. So he wants to start with you guys. Okay. So my next card is nothing matters in my life more than you. So this is a great message guys. ये आपके अलावा इनकी लाइफ में कुछ मैटर नहीं करता. It's a third party or the family person or whatever, whether he is in a relationship. Love is waiting for your waiting for the call, text, hearing your voice. So he is missing you so much guys. Want to listen your voice and waiting for your text. Okay, I love you. He is saying that वो आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं guys. Okay, so when I saw you I fell in love. तो जब फर्स्ट टाइम इन्होंने आपको देखा था तो या फिर इनको आपसे प्यार हो गया था या आपको इनसे हो गया था. Okay, alright. So I am wrong but I am not sorry. तो सही कहीं ना कहीं ईगो है guys. So he is in a stubborn energy. So he is very rigid. So he know that he is saying that मैं गलत हूँ, but he is not sorry for that, for his behavior or his conduct. Okay. So I love you and I hate you. So ये आपको प्यार भी करते हैं but at the same time he hates you and because he loves you. Okay. So the next card is. He is asking you, do you really love me? So guys, do you really love him? You can answer him or her. Okay. So wait for my call. So he is saying you wait for my call guys. Okay. So I told you also he is coming. He can come in 1 to 3 week or 3 to 9 week or months. Okay guys, or days also. So I love you and I hate you too. So again आया guys ये मैसेज. तो ये आपको प्यार करते हैं, नफरत भी करते हैं, एट द सेम टाइम आपको प्यार भी करते हैं. ओके, fear of rejection. So because of the distance he now think that you might can reject him. Okay, so forgive me, I want to apologize to you guys. हमारी रीडिंग में भी आया था he want to apologize to you. So in my in this file तो आपको ये apology आपके लेना चाहता है. Okay guys, so these are the reading messages guys. You can have a quick look. Okay, so we will go for with these charms also. तो quickly charms भी ले लेंगे. Okay. Okay guys, so quickly हम अपने charms भी देख लेंगे. So let's see what are the It is safe for you. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, so this person, so maybe you and maybe you or this person loves ice cream a lot, और आप लोगों ने साथ में you have shared ice cream together, or you like strawberry, or he likes this. So definitely you guys have shared the elephant ride, or maybe आपका rising sign moon sun energy Aries हो सकती है. Okay, so you love to wear such kind of high heels, or maybe this person wants to see you wearing these high heels. Okay, so maybe you or this person likes pineapple a lot. So this is the charm. Okay, so maybe this or you this person is in army, or this person is in military or defense. So this is a pile, this is a charm for have come. Okay, and this maybe आपको flower देना चाहते हैं या दिया है in past, and maybe this person love to play ball, or love to play basketball. Okay, or volleyball. Okay, and this person has given you a teddy in past, or maybe he calls you as a teddy, or he sees you as a teddy. Okay, so he sees you as his as a butterfly, so he loves you. Your aura is very he loves you, he loves your aura. Okay, okay. तो ऑल्सो वी हैव रिसीव दिस. तो ये आपको गिफ्ट, ये पर्सन आपको गिफ्ट देने वाले हैं, या फिर आप इन्हें गिफ्ट देने वाले हैं. आपके पास इनका दिया हुआ कोई गिफ्ट है. तो नंबर 1 हो सकते हैं, या फिर नंबर डेट हो सकती है. एक आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट होते हैं, या फिर इस डेट को आप मिले हैं या मिले थे, या आप इस डेट को मिलेंगे. ओके, नंबर 7 हो सकता है. नंबर 4 अगेन गाइज. तो फिर आप उसका 4 दिन में, या फिर विद इन 4 वीक्स या 4 मंथ, यू कैन गेट अ टेक्स्ट कॉल और कम्युनिकेशन विद दिस person from this person. Our alphabet is very prominent. Letter T. Okay, letter B and H. आपके पार्टनर का नाम H से हो सकता है. V. Okay, and A and Y. तो आपके पार्टनर का नेम वाई से स्टार्ट हो सकता है, या फिर आपका नेम वाई से स्टार्ट. अगेन बी वी हैव रिसीव्ड. ओके गाइज, सो दीज आर द इनिशियल्स वी हैव रिसीव्ड, एंड thank you so much guys, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel if you really like my readings. So take care guys, bye bye.